LA Tenorio rings them out. Just to emphasize this point, I like the fact that the PBA, as Tenorio nails it, the PBA and LA Tenorio all the way. The LAs are on each other. Step in, blast shot. Jervy Cruz, they've always wanted Jervy Cruz to play alongside Slaughter. LA attacks. In the meantime, Tenorio also from that core. LA is free. He is free. And listen to this crowd roar!
LA Phoenix was leading for majority of the game, but what enabled you guys to turn things around?
It was our defense talaga. We've been working double hard the past week after we lost to Alaska. Nakita namin talaga yung weaknesses namin is really our defense. Yung offense namin, susunod lang talaga yan when we play defense. So, I mean, yung Phoenix, there's a reason kaya sila number 1 because of their defense also in their execution. So, this time, we really need this game. Sobrang laking bagay nito para sa amin.
This game, aside from it was close, it was also emotional. Pero paano nyo ginawa to your favor or make it to your advantage? What happened inside the game?
Well, we came out with a defensive mentality. Yun lang talaga. Yun lang. Our offense talaga hindi naman masyadong pinansin this game. Talaga susunod lang yan
Today, you tied Cap Alvin Patrimonio pagdating sa most numbers of games played. How special is this victory for you and this day for you?
Sobrang special nitong araw na to. Siyempre, aside from that, sobrang hindi ko rin na-expect na aabot ako sa ganito, di ba? Sino ba naman akala makakarating ako sa ganito? Gusto ko lang magpasalamat, number 1, kay God. Talagang sa strength na binibigyan niya sa akin everyday, sa practice, not only in the games. And of course, to my family, sa suporta nila. Whenever I need to rest, nandyan sila para suportahan ako. Naiintindihan nila ako for the past how many years. And of course, my teammates and the coaching staff and my trainers. Lahat ng mga nagtitrain sa akin. So, sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo. At sa lahat ng mga nagdadasal para sa akin at sa buong team ng Barangay Ginebra. Sana huwag po kayo magsawang sumuporta at magdasal sa amin.
Lastly, LA, going to your next game, that's against Magnolia. Ironically, nandun si Cap Alvin Patrimonio. And in that game, malalagpasan mo na o ikaw na yung magiging talagang Iron Man ng PBA. Paano mo paghahandaan niya? Will you do anything special?
Siguro more than that, kailangan namin pagganda ng Magnolia. Malaki utang sa amin ng Magnolia because of last conference. So, well, yung lampasan yung games, consecutive games, nandyan lang yan. Hopefully, magdire-diretso pa. But more than that is really the victory. And we have to play really hard next game and to get that win again.
LA, ang buong barangay nandito sa Araneta, sumuporta. Marami rin on national TV. Mga pagbatit pa sa salamat.
Binabati ko, una-una yung family ko nandyan. My wife, Cheska, Santi, Sian, and Lucas. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng pag-intindi nyo sa akin and pag-alaga nyo sa akin. Of course, sa lahat sa family ko, sa mga kaibigan ko, sa mga teammates ko, and of course, sa lahat ng Barangay Ginebra fans. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Sana huwag kayong magsawa. Kita-kita po ulit tayo next game. Every Sunday po yung game namin. So, supportahan nyo sana kami. And keep supporting PBA, of course.
Great game, LA, again. Congratulations, gentlemen.